When our children are reluctant to read, it's good to give them bite-sized chunks to read. For this, I have the perfect activity. It's called 21 Days, and it's number 55 of the Parent's Guide to Raising Multi-literate Children. You might already know the game 21 Days, where players count in turns up to 21. They can only say 1, 2, or 3 numbers, and the person who says 21 loses. Here we're going to swap numbers for words, and each player will be reading 1, 2, or 3 words, and the person who reads the last word loses. Here, because each paragraph is quite short, we have decided to make the last word of the paragraph the words not to read. But if you have longer paragraphs, feel free to make it every 2-3 sentences.
On dit jusqu'à homme. Ok, ça c'est le mot qu'il faut pas dire.
Ok.
Attends toi.
Maintenant.
Il voyait où
C'est
parents voulaient
un
venir, alors il
leur
posa la question,
qu'il
l'avait préoccupé,
toute la
journée
je
Ah.
deviens un
homme.
yeah. J'ai gagné.
With this game, we're making the effort minimal by only asking each player to read up to 3 words at a time instead of a whole text or whole paragraph. It's the same as if I asked you to do 30 push-ups at once. Many of you would refuse to do it because it's too much, it demands too much effort, etc. But if I asked you to do 3 push-ups, you probably say yes, and then 3 more, yes, and then 3 more. So little by little, you would be doing maybe 30 push-ups in total. The other thing that makes it motivating is the tactical aspect. You don't just read words, 1, 2, or 3 words, but you have to make sure that the other player says the word that shouldn't be saying. And if they win, you can make sure that they will want to carry on playing with you and reading more and more. Here, there are no penalties for mispronouncing words. It won't affect who wins or loses, so feel free to correct your child. They will happily accept, and even more so if they're winning, because they'll be in a good mood. So 21 Days is a great game to practice reading, especially if you have a reluctant reader at home, because it demands very little effort and makes reading fun. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it around with other families and teachers. And if you're looking for more ideas to foster your languages in a fun way, feel free to check out the Toolbox for Multilingual Families and the Parent's Guide to Raising Multi-literate Children. We'll see you next week with a new activity, and until then, keep playing, learning, and having fun with all your languages.